My daughter just turned 21, and USCIS says the age calculation rules are changing. Did we lose a green card? Here's the breaking news. August 8, 2025, USCIS just announced a change to how they count a child's age under the Child Status Protection Act. It is the law that can save kids from aging out of a green card petition. Well, this is a make or break update for Indian families who are stuck in EB2, EB3, and family visa backlogs. Let's take a look at what is going on. Starting August 15, 2025, USCIS will go back to using only the final action dates chart, even for adjustment of status, ending the more generous policy that had allowed dates for filing chart in some cases since 2023. Final action dates are usually much later than dates for filing, sometimes years later for India. And that delay could push a child over 21 before the number comes out. Let's understand why it is happening. USCIS says they are doing this for consistency. And right now, the Department of State already uses the final action dates chart for overseas immigrant visas. The 2023 rule meant kids in the US applying for adjustment of status could get a different calculation than kids abroad. Well, this policy lines everyone up, but it also means less wiggle room for kids in the backlog, especially in India, where the wait is measured in decades. If we look into the real Reddit reactions, then there's one post saying, "We filed in March thinking dates for filing would save our kid. And now USCIS moves the goal post." Another comment saying, "Final action dates are brutal for India. My son turns 21 next year and this update could kill his case." This is the emotional reality for families who filed between Feb 14, 2023 and August 15, 2025. USCIS says they will honor the old rules, but after that, it is the stricter charge for everyone. So here's what you can do right now. If your child is close to aging out, talk to an immigration attorney before August 15. File adjustment of status now if your priority date is current and the dates for filing. Also, gather proof of extraordinary circumstances if you could not apply within 1 year. Indian backlogs already break families, and this rule could make it worse. Knowing now means you can act before August 15. So drop your visa type, your child's age, and also your priority date below. Let's track how many families this hits. Also, don't forget to subscribe because we will cover every USCIS change before it's too late. Thank you so much for staying tuned to Immigration Talk Show. See you next time.